INE. INE. What is an INE? Do I need one? Can I even get one? What would I need to get an INE? Would I need an appointment? All good questions, and they will be answered in 10. My name is Aaliyah, and the goal with this channel is to help make all things Mexico sound not so foreign to foreigners. And today's topic is the INE. Let's dive right in. Mexico is filled with important acronyms, as you'll come to find out. And INE is one of them. What is INE? INE stands for Instituto Nacional Electoral, formerly called IFE, I-F-E. However, when people ask you for your INE, they're usually referring to your INE card. And your INE card is a voter ID card issued to Mexican citizens over the age of 18 by INE. And before you ask, do you need to vote if you possess this card? The answer is no. The INE identification card is one of the most widely used forms of identification in Mexico. So besides voting, what is it useful for? Because of the documents used to acquire it, your INE serves as a double form of identification for Mexican citizens, which could mean potentially less identifying documents to carry around, thus less potential to lose those important documents, say your passport, for instance. I will compare the INE to maybe what the Real ID is becoming in the States, a government-issued verified form of identity that also proves your residence. When might the INE come in handy? Case in point, with most Mexican banks, if you want to open a Mexican bank account as a citizen of Mexico, you'll need either 2 official forms of photo ID or 1, just your INE. Less is more, ¿verdad? The same holds true for many other applications in Mexico. Your INE can save you the extra paperwork. And speaking of savings, the INE can also save you potentially lots of pesos with local discounts because it's a proof of residence. Did I mention it was free? Talk about return on investment. So it verifies my citizenship, it verifies my identity twofold, verifies my address, can save me time, paperwork, and money, and it's free? Why not get it? That's a good question. I'll leave the answer up to you. How do you make an appointment? Go to the website on the screen, click Haz una cita, or in English, make an appointment, and proceed. If you want an actual step-by-step walkthrough of how to make an appointment, pause the video here and check out a previous video I did. I cover all the steps you need to make an appointment, as well as give a few tips to ensure success. What is needed on appointment day? 4 things. Number 1, an appointment. Although most offices can be flexible with your arrival time if you have an appointment, most all INE offices don't accept walk-ins, so an appointment will be absolutely necessary. And I would say, just for safe measure, print the confirmation of your appointment and bring it in with you to the appointment. And number 2, proof of Mexicanicity. Whether that be your Mexican birth certificate or your naturalization letter or document if you are a naturalized Mexican citizen. And I will say it must be an original, not a copy. Number 3, a Mexican government-issued photo ID with signature. It could be any of the following supporting documents on the screen. And number 4, finally, a proof of address. It could be any of the supporting documents listed on the screen. If you want to verify whether your documents will be accepted on appointment day, check out the link on the screen and in the description portion of the video. And I will say, as far as your proof of address goes, be ready to confirm it. My recommendation to you would be maybe have a photo of your home, a pin on the map, or know how to get to your place of residence, whether it be cross streets, landmarks, that kind of thing, because they will verify it with you on appointment day. It never hurts to be over-prepared. Be prepared and over-prepared. That's always my motto. After you schedule and attend your appointment with all the proper paperwork, you will be given a receipt called Comprobante de Solicitud Individual de Inscripción. And on that document, there will be a folio number, which is a confirmation number of sorts. Keep that document. After a given amount of time, usually about a week or so, but they'll let you know at your appointment, you return to the INE office with that receipt and collect your INE card. It's usually valid for 10 years, and if you change your address, make sure you keep that up to date. Now that's all things INE. Thanks for watching the video. Hasta pronto, friends. See you soon. Nos vemos.